Hey, Annette Reader here, and it's another grocery discovery. And I was in Tom Leonard's and I found some ingredients that I thought would be amazing to put together into a dish. So I'm going to share with you the recipe, but first of all, I want to share with you the ingredients. So I'm kind of outside in their herb section, in their herb garden, which is kind of cool because the store is kind of crowded today. And so I wanted to share with you out here what I found in there. So, hey, Annette Reader, the Biblical Nutritionist, and it's always my joy to serve you God's recipe for excellent health. So let me share with you what I found. Okay, as you can see, nestled inside these herbs is great parsley and everything. This is what I found that really sparked my interest. So we've got some spinach pasta, some little bow tie pasta. And notice it says right there on the front, non-GMO, fresh cage free eggs. I almost didn't get that one out. And so I thought, wow, I bet I could make a delicious dish with this. And then I noticed they had some cauliflower out in the produce section, and that is, they're calling it jumbo, and it kind of is. And so I thought, wow, I could make some cauliflower rice. And oh, wait a minute, I'm getting ahead of myself on the recipe. I want you to see the recipe. So I added this, and then added in some feta cheese, and then I didn't do this in the recipe, but I definitely think it would be a great addition to some fresh tomatoes. All right, I can't wait to share with you what I made. You're going to love it. And it's always my joy to serve you God's recipe for excellent health.